Portable grills are the perfect solution for outdoor enthusiasts and food lovers on the go. These compact and lightweight grilling devices are designed for camping, picnicking, tailgating, and more. With various fuel options, they offer a convenient way to enjoy delicious grilled meals wherever your adventures take you, combining convenience and flavor. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Weber Spirit Thai E310 2-burner liquid propane grill, the epitome of convenience and performance in outdoor cooking. This meticulously crafted grill is designed to elevate your grilling experience and ignite the spirit of barbecue enthusiasts. With its 3 powerful burners, it delivers consistent and even heating across the cooking grates, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. The Spirit Thai E310 features the innovative GS4 grilling system, complete with electronic ignition, porcelain-enameled flavorizer bars, and a grease management system, making grilling hassle-free and cleanup a breeze. The generous cooking area provides ample space to grill all your favorites, from burgers to steaks and veggies. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting your culinary journey, the Weber Spirit Thai E310 is your trusted companion for creating memorable outdoor meals and gathering friends and family around the grill. Experience the ultimate in grilling excellence with Weber. Number 9. Napoleon Travel Portable Gas Grill, your ticket to exceptional grilling experiences on the go. This meticulously designed grill is engineered for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and anyone who craves the taste of perfectly grilled food wherever they roam. With its compact and lightweight design, the TravelQ grill is highly portable, making it ideal for tailgating, picnics, and camping trips. Don't be fooled by its size though. This grill packs a punch with its 2 powerful burners, providing precise temperature control and even heat distribution. The TravelQ features a durable cast aluminum body, porcelain-coated cooking grids, and a convenient scissor cart design for easy setup and storage. Number 8. GoBQ Portable Charcoal Grill, a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts and adventurers alike. This meticulously designed grill reimagines the traditional charcoal grill experience, offering exceptional portability without compromising on performance. Crafted from rugged, flame-resistant fabric, the GoBQ grill is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it the perfect companion for camping, hiking, picnics, and tailgating. Don't be fooled by its size. It assembles in seconds, and its patented firebox design delivers high-quality grilling with even heat distribution. With its vented base and quick cooling technology, you can pack up and go right after grilling, with no waiting around for the grill to cool down. And number 7. Coleman RoadTrip 285 Portable Grill, the ultimate outdoor cooking solution that brings convenience, versatility, and quality grilling to your adventures. Meticulously designed for those who appreciate the taste of perfectly grilled food on the go, this portable grill is a game-changer. With its compact and foldable design, it's easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for tailgating, camping, picnics, and more. The RoadTrip 285 boasts 3 powerful burners, delivering even heat across the spacious cooking area, so you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Its Insta-Start ignition ensures hassle-free lighting, while the integrated thermometer lets you monitor your cooking with precision. With interchangeable cooktops and compatibility with both small propane canisters and large tanks, this grill offers versatility like no other. Number 6. Silverbac Wood Pellet Smoker Grill, the epitome of smoking and grilling excellence for barbecue enthusiasts and outdoor cooks. This meticulously engineered grill combines the rich, smoky flavors of wood pellets with modern technology for effortless and delicious cooking experiences. With its large cooking area and versatile temperature range, the Silverbac grill is perfect for smoking, grilling, roasting, and even baking. It features a digital control panel for precise temperature adjustments and a meat probe to ensure your dishes are cooked to perfection every time. The durable construction and innovative design provide even heat distribution and minimal pellet consumption. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting your smoking journey, the Silverbac Wood Pellet Smoker Grill ensures that you deliver mouth-watering, smoky dishes with ease. Number 5. Char-Broil Patio Bistro Electric Grill, a compact yet powerful grilling solution that brings the sizzle and flavor of outdoor cooking right to your patio or balcony. Meticulously designed for urban dwellers and outdoor enthusiasts with limited space, this electric grill packs a punch in a small footprint. With its 240 square-inch cooking surface, it's perfect for grilling burgers, steaks, chicken, and veggies for small gatherings or family meals. The Patio Bistro grill features a precision dial for temperature control and a handy warming rack to keep your food hot and ready to serve. It's easy to clean and requires no propane or charcoal, making it a hassle-free and eco-friendly choice. Number 4. Nexgrill Fortress 2.02 Burner Tabletop Grill. Your gateway to powerful grilling performance in a compact and portable package. This meticulously designed tabletop grill redefines outdoor cooking convenience and versatility. Despite its small size, it boasts 2 high-performance burners, each with its own ignition for precise temperature control and even heat distribution across the 262 square inch cooking surface. The Fortress 2.0 is perfect for grilling burgers, hot dogs, steaks, and more, making it an ideal choice for picnics, camping trips, tailgating, and small outdoor spaces. With its durable construction and handy features like foldable side shelves and a locking lid, it's both practical and efficient. Whether you're a grilling enthusiast or simply love the taste of outdoor cooked meals, the Nexgrill Fortress 2.0 Tabletop Grill ensures you enjoy delicious food wherever your adventures take you. Number 3. Char-Broil Classic 4-Burner Gas Grill. Your ticket to hosting unforgettable backyard BBQs and outdoor feasts. This meticulously designed grill is a master of performance and versatility, boasting 4 high-powered burners that deliver a whopping 32,000 BTUs of cooking power across its spacious 405 square inch primary cooking area. The Classic 4-Burner Grill features a durable porcelain-coated grilling grates that distribute heat evenly, ensuring that your burgers, steaks, chicken, and veggies are perfectly seared and cooked to perfection. With an additional 190 square inch warming rack and a side burner for sautéing or simmering, it's the perfect setup for large gatherings. The grill also includes a temperature gauge and a handy storage cabinet for your propane tank and grilling accessories. Number 2. Dyna-Glo DGN 576 DNCDX Large Heavy Duty Charcoal Grill. The epitome of outdoor cooking prowess for grill enthusiasts who crave the rich, smoky flavors of charcoal grilling. This meticulously designed grill is a powerhouse of performance and versatility. With its ample cooking space, featuring 816 square inches of grilling area, it's perfect for hosting large gatherings and family cookouts. The Dyna-Glo charcoal grill boasts heavy-duty cast iron grates that retain heat for excellent searing and even cooking. Its adjustable charcoal tray allows precise temperature control, giving you the flexibility to grill, smoke, or slow cook your favorite dishes. The built-in stainless steel thermometer ensures accurate temperature monitoring. With a variety of convenient features, including side shelves, storage baskets, and a removable ash pan, it's as practical as it is powerful. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a novice griller, the Dyna-Glo X Large Heavy-Duty Charcoal Grill takes your outdoor cooking game to new heights, transforming every meal into a mouth-watering masterpiece. Elevate your grilling experience with this grill that's engineered for performance, durability, and the unbeatable flavor of charcoal. Number 1. Nexgrill 5-Burner Gas Grill Stainless Steel Side Burner. The ultimate outdoor cooking companion for those who crave exceptional performance and versatility. This meticulously designed grill combines power and style to elevate your grilling experience. With 5 powerful burners, it delivers a total of 60,000 BTUs of cooking power across its expansive 486 square inch primary cooking area. The Nexgrill gas grill boasts durable stainless steel cooking grates that distribute heat evenly, ensuring your burgers, steaks, chicken, and veggies are perfectly seared and cooked to perfection. The convenient side burner adds versatility, perfect for sautéing, simmering, or warming sauces and sides. With features like a temperature gauge, side shelves, and ample storage space, it's designed to make grilling a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just getting started, the Nexgrill 5-Burner Gas Grill is your trusted partner for delivering delicious outdoor meals and creating memorable moments with friends and family.